These are the things that coaches don't tell you on YouTube. What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about YouTube and digital content. We're just going to talk about a couple of things that YouTube coaches don't share with the common creator. Yeah, coaches like to promise you the moon, but they leave out critical details. Ready to get the inside scoop? Let's go. There is not a magic formula. Have you ever heard of that perfect formula for YouTube? There are plenty of people out there that claim they can make you go viral. They often sell you courses and guarantee you promises. YouTube is unpredictable, and what works for one channel probably won't work for the other. There is no magic formula. The key to success is experimentation. Don't get caught up in that myth that there's a one-size-fits-all. Be consistent. Yeah, YouTube is not just about uploading and hitting records. Many of the coaches just gloss over the hidden cost, from equipment to software to advertising and branding. These expenses can add up very quickly. I know my Google Ads account, man, I know I spent a good $1,000 in 3 months, which is probably not as much as some probably people think, but I mean, dang, that's a lot of money. It is crucial to plan and budget for these costs so that you are not blindsided later. Investing in your channel is important, but knowing the cost can help you make informed decisions. Burnout is real. YouTube coaches like to highlight the fame, the fun, and the freedom, but they probably won't tell you how easy it is to just burn out. Producing content consistently, engaging with your audience, and managing social media, it can be overwhelming. It is essential to take care of your mental health and your work-life balance. Don't let the pursuit of growing your channel compromise your well-being. The algorithm is not your friend. Coaches like to preach mastering the algorithm so that way you can gain visibility. While understanding the algorithm is beneficial, it's not the end-all be-all. Algorithms change frequently. Focusing on an algorithm can lead you to chase instead of making quality content. The community aspect. Coaches like to emphasize on your individual background and where you come from and your branding, but they often forget to let you know about the community and how to involve yourself with it. YouTube isn't just about broadcasting your content. It's about engaging with people, collaborating with creators, interacting with your audience, and participating in the YouTube community will help your growth. Don't underestimate the power of connection and genuine growth. That's it, guys. A couple of things that the YouTube coaches won't tell you. Remember, success is a journey. Understanding these truths, you'll be better prepared for the future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more insight, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or any other tips? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, the truth will set your channel free.